Hello and welcome back to another episode of Factorio. In the last and first episode we started to build our power supply and our basic production of general goods, I should say. Iron, copper and coal, of course. Now, what we need next is some sort of transportation, automatic transportation for all the stuff we build here, or we want to build here. So let's again put some coal into the mining drills, but of course we should as fast as possible start to build up everything using electricity. So next step would be we need some power supply down here, and we need some, let's say, oh, no more coal in here. We need some more basic materials, as in copper plates and iron plates. What's wrong here? Don't. Why is it not? What did I do here? There we go. All right, so we need more belts. Over. That's bad. Too bad. We need some more belts, so we need more iron plates. And we could already start producing some. No, we cannot. Oh, we can, of course. Start producing some stone in the, I don't know the correct word. Let's see. It is stone. And the result is stone brick, right. And from the stone bricks we can build the first wall elements. And let's have a look. Power supply looking good. So we need to build more electric mining drills, which means we need more iron and copper. We still didn't, we do not have any defenses as of yet, so maybe we should keep in mind that somewhere around here there might be some red spots that do not like us. As we can recall from one of the first episodes of the actual season in my German channel. Now let's see, we still need some copper. No, we still need some iron plates. There we go. Iron plates. Replace this one, replace that one. And we need more transport belts. And of course I think we will need more. Alright. We will need more. What did I want to say? Power poles. Electric. What's the name? Small electric poles. Alright. Let's see. Go over here. Over there. And here. Here. And here. So this makes us produce iron ore on my belt. This goes there. There we go. And let's see. So we could make this area for production of iron and this area for copper, and then this leads to a factory built down here, as I already said in last episode. Maybe maybe we should just enlarge this one. Maybe this is already enough. Then we need some inserters. We need, of course, for the coal supply we need more and more and more belts. So this is far too slowly. It's too slowly. It's too slow. Slowly. Stupid German. Alright, so we use this as well, and then we go down here and go here and here and here, and then this will be our main line for iron. Alright. Remove this one already and use this inserter and put this one down here. This one down here, another inserter on the other side, but, and this is important, one place or one field apart. And then we need some more electric power poles, like here and here. There we go. And we need some fuel, which we do not have yet, and a box, because we do not have enough sufficient iron plates for more belts. But of course now we have our first automatic melting of iron plates. We could build another one, I think. This one. Then 2 more inserters. Great. And there we go. Down here. Put this one here, that one there, and another box. I think I get a bad cough. My nose is dripping already. Excuse me. And put the pole over here and put some coal in there, and there we go. Second production for iron plates. We need lots of them because, yeah, we still only have the basic supplies here, so there's lots of more to do here. And wait, the positive thing is we have lots of oil here, so I do not see any problems in the near future. But we should not underestimate how much of the oil we need. We have seen this in the German videos where we have lots of batteries, or let's say batteries missing, I should say, because always when I try to go on with my production, to proceed to bigger, faster, better, whatever, I just recognize, oh yes, I do have to, I do not have enough batteries, and therefore we should keep this in mind. This will be there will be a great demand for all things that are based on oil, so like plastic bars and so on, which I underestimated. I clearly underestimated. Alright, and the next step would be we need a production for our science and development. I don't know, the labs, alright? They are called labs. Maybe I should put 1 or 2 already down here somewhere to start. Let's see. Automation. So we need the long-handed inserter. And we need assembly machines. So I would say, yes, we start with automation. Alright. And then, there we go. More iron plates. What's wrong here? Yeah, brilliant. I just wanted to use an inserter for my oven, but stupid me did just remove everything from the box. Okay, so let's do it like this. And then we need another one, and we need another box. And like there and there. Alright, now we have our stone production going, or brick production. So there is our first lab, and we need of course now some science packs. The science packs are produced using iron plates and copper plates, which we have here and here and here. And then we go build some. This takes some time, of course, I know, but we are on the way to get the automatic fabrication, or what's its name? Automation So we get the assembly machine 1. Yeah, assembly machine. How could I have forgotten that? And so we need to build these science packs in our inventory, of course, because we do not have the assembly machines as of yet. Of course, we will move the labs around, so find a better place where to put them. And there we go. And another one, and I think that's it. Right, okay. Now we can go on, build some more transport belts, basic transport belts, because we want to use them to transport the coal to the furnaces, right? Things we didn't do the last time, and you wondered why I didn't, so I will make it better this time. Now there are two possibilities. I could use a splitter, but we do not have splitters as of yet. This is, I think it's here, logistics. So we first need logistics to use splitters. So I will just use a normal inserter. It's not the best way to do it, but the only way to do it as of now. And there we go. And now we need, let's see, what will we need next? I think we need, what do we need? Tool belt, that's nice, but not yet. Yeah, let's start with these ones. So I have splitters and fast inserters. Basically because I already know how the layout of the factory, I plan the layout of the factory, and we will use lots of belts going over the top of other belts or below other belts, and so this will be very important. And now we need 2 long inserters, and there we go. And we have our first fully automated production up and running. So these will take the coal if they need it, put it out there, working. Great. Now we need a assembly machine, and let's see. We will do the same as we did in our German videos. So we need to bring down the resources like this, and this time I will plan with 2 belts, one with 2 belts to each side, because I know that one will not be sufficient in the near future. So, or maybe maybe if we need to bring in resources from other places, like here, maybe we can bring them in at a later point. I don't know yet. There's our oil plant. So let's do the factory to this side. So the modular part in this factory goes to that side, right? And the transport part goes to this side, because here we have the oil, and that will be another resource, as we know. So we need to build the first thing we need is iron gear wheels, or as I call it, sprocket. So we need some sprockets. I will put a first factory here, but I will always make sure that I leave enough place for future developments. So I always go, let's say 1, 2, and then here. And of course we need some power supply. Oh, and yes. That's not good because it's too close. I think we will need more iron produced here. And if you start to build a factory right below it, I do not leave enough place. So let's move it a bit down the line. Put some more of these ones. Then we need these ones. All right, and there we go. Building our first... What did I call it? I forgot already. Yeah. Our first modular. Yes, that's what I call it. The first modular part of this factory. Let's see. Let's go some places there. Where? Yeah. Let's go. Let's start here. Okay. So we will start our first modular elements in the next episode. If you like this one, then please leave a comment, a reply, not a reply, a thumbs up. And I read all the comments, so I look forward reading from you. If you did not do this already, please leave a subscription. And I see you next episode. Take care. Goodbye.